Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth video in our series about using Microsoft Teams to keep in touch with your colleagues, your pupils, set your classwork, and to help them progress. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to store your files and resources and how to manage them. As we have all the people in the class in the right place, it's now time to put our files and resources in the correct area so that staff and pupils can start using them. Your files will be generally stored in one of three places at the moment: the computer you're using or your school computer, your school network, and possibly in OneDrive. OneDrive is where we're going to be storing nearly all of our files in the first instance, so you will need time to upload copies of your files to here. It is important to note that this creates copies of your files and will not move them from their current place. From this area, you can move, share, and edit your files by yourself or with others. This means it's going to be a lot easier than the usual sending out copies by email, so there are a few different files of the same name but edited differently floating around your organization. Here you'll be able to keep one file, all edited, in one place. Once the file you are working on is ready to be put in the Teams area, you can right-click on that file and move it to the area you want to place it in Teams. Be very aware though that this moves the file and does not create a copy, so just be sure your file is ready to go before you move it. You can of course create a copy of the file and move that instead if you choose to do so. Moving the files to specific places is important. I can move my planning for the week to the planning channel so that I and other staff can work on it together. Sharing files with your face may also be a good idea, as it could reduce the amount of planning you have to do. If there is a resource I would like the children to access but not edit, I can place it in the class materials folder. This is a folder that staff can edit, but the pupils can only see. From here, when I set the children these materials as work, I can do so knowing that their Teams account will create a copy of that file that will allow them to do their work on it, and then they can save it as their own so I can mark their work. Let's make sure all my files are where they should be. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to host online lessons.